How to add a new payee in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app and log in. From the home screen, tap on the Pay and Transfer option located at the bottom center of your screen. Next, tap on Pay or Resend or New Payee. On the following screen, choose the account you want to send money from. Then, tap to and select Add New Payee. Now you will be asked to choose between person or business depending on who you are paying. Once all details are filled in, tap Continue. The payee will now be saved and you will see their name listed under your payee list. You can select them whenever you want to send the payment in the future. Now you know how to add a new payee in the Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.